I have warm feelings about being at this location, 27 West Lemon Street, since our father Sanford and his brother bought High Welding Company on January the 1st, 1931. This was the birthplace of High Welding Company.
To commemorate our company birthplace in this Lancaster that we love, we commissioned a sculpture of our very first truck.
To make a long story short, it took about over a year and a half from the beginning to this installation.
Public art projects are a lot of work, but you know what? It's all worthwhile when you see them unveiled. Public art tells a community's story. It reminds residents and visitors of what makes our city different and special.
I don't think there's a better site than this site to talk about the potential success of an entrepreneur. Not just what you can build as a business, but how you can have that business impact a community.
I believe Lancaster has many great partners and exciting opportunities moving forward. At High, we will do our best to support an environment of innovation and quality of life for many future generations. Thank you.